We've been talking a lot about the rise of 3D printing. You can see it in action right here. Instead of using ink like regular printers, 3D printers take a digital image and then build upon layer of material to create complex solid objects. Car parts, prosthetic limbs, even human tissue have been manufactured in this way. Well, 3D printers often use plastic, but now the European Space Agency wants to use the technology to make products out of molten metal. Neil Curry has more details.
From a model of a car engine to the more controversial plastic gun, 3D printers have revolutionized the way we make things.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Now the European Space Agency has unveiled a plan to print parts out of metal.
Amaze is the metal products. We're going to make the world's best quality metal components for a whole range of different sectors.
The project is a joint venture between ESA and industry. Their aim is to produce metal components that are lighter and stronger, as they'll be made out of one piece of metal without welding or bolting.
The sectors of industry that I can see this being used in, today it's already being used actually in the medical sector. So there are implants being made for implanting hips, for example, made in titanium using these technologies. The next adopters are likely to be space, defense and aerospace.
Work in the same way as current versions using plastic that's laid down to build up the finished product. With these printers, molten metal is used instead. It's hoped that the technology could be used to make cars and planes, even building parts in outer space.
We're hoping to be able to eventually print simple parts that can be used for astronauts for future missions to the moon or to Mars as well.
ESA knows there are still several key challenges to overcome.
These liquid metals are prone to oxidation, so you need to make sure that your chamber has no oxygen in it whatsoever. Some of the metal powders that we buy from powder producers, they may contain inside them very small bubbles of gas, which is inherent to that gas bubbles.